Hi everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth YouTube channel. At Upgrowth, we have seen a lot of brands and a lot of times we've seen creators scale and one decision comes up again and again. When should you actually hire? Because hiring can either unlock your next level or quietly drain your cash. So instead of guessing, we've built this tool called Creative Hiring ROI Calculator. This helps you evaluate a hire before you commit. You plug in a few simple things: what the hire costs, how much time you will save, what is your time is worth, and your current revenue. And instantly you will see the clear picture. Let me just add some details here and then I can show you how the tool works. So role to hire, and say I'm looking to hire a social media manager. The hiring type is full time, monthly cost to hire, hours, effective hourly rates, and monthly revenue. Then I can also move the slider to, let's say, what am I expecting the revenue to increase? 20%. And how would you reinvest save time? More content, let's say. Then once I fill up all the details, I click in calculate ROI. So yeah, there you go. There are the results. It says yes, this hire will be profitable for you. This is the ROI, expected ROI in percentage that you can get, the months to break even, revenue per and spent, annual savings, what is the monthly time saved, and value of the time saved, and also the break even timeline. It also tells me the opportunity cost of not hiring. So if you don't hire and continue doing this work yourself, you're giving up this potential earnings over next year. So it just give me the benefits or the profits that I'll be making. It also tells me if I don't hire what I might be losing. So this is a great and inside backed tool that you must try. In some cases you will realize the hire pays for itself in a month, right? In others you will say you're not ready yet, and that's just as valuable. So try it with different variation and you'll understand how and what which hire makes sense at the current moment or time. It also gives me salary benchmarks by location. It gives me the cost comparison if I hire full time or freelance or an agency. And it also gives me how to calculate my or your hourly rate as a creator, hiring freelancers or full time, where to find creator savvy talent, managing a creative team. So it is not just fluff; it is purely insight driven. So run the numbers and make the decisions with clarity and not just instinct. So do try this tool. I'll share the link in the description. And this is not it. We have more creator and social media related tools on social media tools page at upgrowth.in. So make sure you check them out as well. Thank you.